In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add solid background color layer. By the end, you'll know how to take any image or video, remove its background in CapCut, and place it over a clean, solid color so your subject really stands out. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. If you're working on a video for social media, pick the aspect ratio you need at the start so you don't have to reframe anything later. It's also helpful to name the project clearly, especially if you plan to create multiple versions with different background colors. Next, add your image or video to the timeline. You can import it from your computer or your media library, then drag it right onto the main track. Make sure the clip is selected, so CapCut shows you the correct editing options. If your subject isn't centered the way you want, quickly reposition or scale it now to save time later. With your clip selected, look for the Remove BG option in the editing tools. Click it to open the background removal controls. Choose Auto Removal to let CapCut analyze the footage and separate the subject from the background. You'll see a short processing bar. The result is a cutout of your subject with transparency behind it. If the edges look a bit rough, especially around hair or fine details, use the Refine tools to clean up where necessary. For best results, make sure your subject has good contrast from the original background and avoid heavy motion blur. Now it's time to add the solid background. Go to the Backgrounds or Canvas section and pick a solid color that suits your project. Classic choices like white, black, or brand colors work well, and you can always adjust the shade later. Place this solid color layer on a track below your subject so it sits behind the cutout. Stretch the color layer to match the entire length of your clip to avoid any gaps. If you don't immediately see the color behind your subject, double-check the layer order. The subject should be on top, the color on the bottom. Give it a quick playback to confirm the edges look natural and the color complements your subject. If the background feels too bold, try a slightly softer tone. When you're happy with everything, you're all set to export and share your clean, professional-looking result.